Okay, here we are back at the Glow Launchpad. This time we're logged in as the pupil who has just received an email from the teacher with a link for the digital book that they need for classes. Okay, so the first thing they need to do is access their email box to find the link. There it is there. Mr. Cooper has shared private peaceful with you. So we're going to open it. Now, the same process as before. The book has opened in a web browser, and if the only thing they need to do is see it in normal size font and so forth, then hey presto, there is their copy. However, if the child needs to do anything else or even store a copy of the book, then they will need to follow the next process. We've moved our mouse to near to the top of the screen. The black bar has appeared and we get the download button. The pupil will be downloading this to their downloads folder on the machine temporarily. So we click save and we shut the book. We don't need the link anymore, so we can shut the email and we open up a OneDrive. Again, following the same process as the teacher, we are going to upload the book, and it was private. And the book is uploading. Now, we don't want to share the link because this is the pupil. So the pupil now has a copy of the book permanently in their OneDrive. There we go. I have a few of them. And they have also got a copy on the desktop computer that they are, or on the laptop, on the computer that they're using in the downloads folder. For ease, I'm just going to copy this book and put it on my desktop. Okay. Okay, so the child now has a copy of Private Peaceful in their Microsoft OneDrive. If they just click on it, as before, it will open as a web page in Chrome. But if they want the digital reader and so forth, they're going to have to download it to the hard drive of the computer and open it from there. I've already done that. It's quite simple. Click download. I have a copy on my desktop, so let's just see what happens. There's my copy. So I want to right click, open with Adobe Acrobat Reader. And as you can see, we have a copy of the book in its original form. Now, Adobe Acrobat Reader has its own inbuilt text-to-speech engine. We go to View, Read Out Loud, Activate, and then View, Read Out Loud, Read this page only.
Page 7, 5 past 10. They've gone now, and I'm alone at last. I have the whole night.
And just click to stop. You may also wish to use the text help app. This is our preferred method. I'm just waiting on text help loading. Okay, so this is the book in Adobe Acrobat, but actually text help has its own PDF reader. So if I click the PDF button and select where I have put the document, which is on my desktop, open, it's going to open the file inside of text help. So this is the read aloud part of text help. And all we do is we highlight the text and we can use the stop, pause and play button.
They've gone now, and I'm alone at last. I have the whole night ahead of me, and I won't waste a single moment of it.
Now, this process does involve the pupil having to store the file in their OneDrive and each and every time download the file to the computer and open up the file into text help. It's a process. It should only take 30 seconds to do. but it's unfortunate that it needs to be done each and every time. However, they do get access to the digital book. Equally, if you're using a digital book that can be edited, so you would be using like a maths workbook that you can type the numbers into, you will need to go through that process and then re-upload the book at the end of the lesson to save all the work that you've done. But that's kind of where Aspects comes in to advise.